Question hook. Ever wondered if using the incredibly powerful language model, Gemini, comes with a price tag? Well, let's dive into that question today. Building context. What is Gemini? Gemini is a large language model developed by Google AI. It's capable of generating human-quality text, translating languages, writing different kinds of creative content, and answering your questions in an informative way. Why is Gemini so popular? Its versatility and ability to understand and respond to a wide range of prompts have made it a favorite among users across various fields, from students to professionals. Addressing the main question. The short answer, no, you don't have to pay to use Gemini. Google has made it freely accessible to the public. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Free versus premium. While the basic version of Gemini is free, Google also offers a premium version with additional features and capabilities. These premium features might come at a cost. Limitations of the free version. The free version of Gemini might have certain limitations, such as slower response times or restrictions on the number of requests you can make. How to access Gemini for free? You can access Gemini for free through various platforms and applications. Google has integrated Gemini into many of its products, including Google Search and Google Bard. Exploring Gemini's capabilities. What can Gemini do? Let's take a look at some of the amazing things Gemini can accomplish. Text generation. Gemini can generate different types of text, such as stories, poems, scripts, emails, and articles. Translation. It can translate text from one language to another. Question answering. Gemini can provide informative answers to your questions. Summarization. It can summarize long texts into shorter versions. Creative writing. Gemini can help you brainstorm ideas and write creatively. Real-world examples. Let's see how Gemini can be used in real-world scenarios. Education. Students can use Gemini to help with homework, research, and writing assignments. Business. Businesses can use Gemini for tasks such as customer service, content creation, and market research. Personal use. Gemini can be used for personal tasks like writing emails, planning trips, or learning new things. The future of Gemini. What's next for Gemini? Google is constantly improving Gemini and exploring new ways to make it even more useful. As technology advances, we can expect Gemini to become even more powerful and versatile. Conclusion. Recap. So, to answer the question, do I have to pay to use Gemini? The answer is generally no. You can access Gemini for free through various platforms and applications. However, there are premium features that might come at a cost. Final thoughts. Gemini is a remarkable tool that can be used for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply curious about AI, Gemini is definitely worth exploring. Call to action. Encourage engagement. If you have any questions about Gemini or want to share your experiences, please leave a comment below. Closing. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.